As I said, I've just been trying to explore what fashion could look like in flood and vice versa. Tonight we have three main looks. First theme is the connection to the land. So, with this look, the connection to the land, flood has a deep-rooted connection to the land. The street style was birthed from the flooding events of 2011, but ultimately is connected to flooding as a whole, as Ipswich is within the floodplains of Queensland. A few years ago, our dancer here, Lily, experienced the flooding disaster that happened in her home in northern New South Wales. Although tragic, from the depths of this disaster was the catalyst to bring forth new life. New life in community, relationships, and the land itself. She mentioned to me that from the flooding, these blue lotus flowers got reintroduced into the land. And so without flood, that wouldn't have happened. So that's pretty much new life showcased in that. I wanted to showcase that with this pairing of a work shirt with the long sleeve shirt underneath. I feel like when I see this, I see hard work and growth and reaping of the harvest. And with her pants, I feel like the frilly lace looking things on the pants sort of match how creeks and rivers run through our lands. And so that's the first look. Thank you, Lily. So, introducing the second look, we have the theme of grotesque. Especially where it's inspired from, has always been grotesque. Being grotesque is being immersed in the environment, the themes, the characters, and the people that's within your personal and cultural circles. With this look, I was inspired to recreate a form of a flood monster, which was the juggernaut form. Ever since I was introduced to flood, I've been so intrigued at how I can show this visually through clothing. The bag, as you can see behind Jayden, is actually a big bulbous growth at the top of the monster. I covered Jayden's face as well, as it adds to the overall grotesque and inhuman nature of the flood monster. And I made the overall color of the fit brown to have a cohesive, inspired look. So that's our second look, grotesque. Thank you, Jayden. Now, our third look is called Street Heat.
Okay.
That's street as hell. That's so street. So streaky. What is it? Is it a street cat? Is it a geek? A bit of both? This theme came from Max's influence from both the street dance world and the gaming world. With this look, camo was used as the overarching pattern, as I felt that it can come across as being a bit pixelated, which connects to the gaming aspect of being a street geek. Camo also ties in the connection to the streets, as numerous people that are within the culture, KB and Jess as well, wear camo patterns to represent themselves. So that's our third look, street geek.
He does have a step on him, doesn't he? Look at his step. He's got a step on him.
He's got a little bit of a sway too. Hey! So that's it for our segment of flood fashion tonight. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I know at the moment it's very imperfect, it's unfinished, but what even is perfect and finished?
Right, big love to you, bro, John. I love watching people try.